this is my current target, but price I don't know what I did to price. Price is not tapping me in. Okay, so let me just give a breakdown of the trade. And the reason why I insisted on entering here is because my target is very, very short. Okay, and that's 1:3, right? 1:3.84. So I don't want to take a trade below 1:3. Let's say if I had entered here, that would be 1:2.68. And no, so if price doesn't tap me in here, then fine. I don't have to be part of the move. So I'm gonna explain this trade briefly. So here is what happened. Going to the 1 hour, I'll just be very brief about it. Okay, going to the 1 hour, here there is an order block and a significant liquidity here, but price did not tap into the order block yet. Okay, we only tap out of nothing. We came out of nothing here, right? And we came back and took an external liquidity, a 1 hour external liquidity. Then going down to the 15 minute, looking at where we reacted from. We reacted from an imbalance. You can see, look at the liquidity here. Let me mark the liquidity. There you go. We have the liquidity, and then we have a tiny imbalance below it. If you go on the 5 minute, the imbalance is very, very clear. I think I've been tapped in, right? Let me check my meta trader, but let me just finish explaining this. Okay, you can see the imbalance right here. So the point of interest is not the best, but at least we took external liquidity, and price action is quite good for bearish though. Looking at it from the 5 minutes, from this structure down, but we are not reacting out of anything here. Okay, and that's the reason I was like, okay, I'm just going to take this short target. That's the closest liquidity, which is this one. Okay, so immediately price got to this external, then I went to my 1 minute time frame to look for my entry model, and there we go. My entry model presented itself, build up, sweep of liquidity, inducement. Look at it, close above, and then we broke structure. So the imbalance it printed is right here. Look at this little tiny imbalance for the auto block. So that was where I plan to enter the trade and then target this one. Why did I put my target here? This is going to be my B target. Why? Because of the imbalance we have above. So price could easily react from that imbalance and then continue to go bearish. Why? Because the bearish price action looks good, but right now we have to be a little bit bullish before we continue to go bearish. And look at the where's okay, the 5 minute, yeah, the 5 minute. Look at this. Okay, we induced, right, and broke structure. So this is a high probability efficiency that price will just easily, and there's liquidity right below it, so price will just easily take that liquidity and then just melt. Okay, good. So I took this because no good price action here. So, and this one has already given an entry model, so let's see how it plays out. Yeah, so there is the result of the trade, and my TP is about to hit. Congratulations. Anyways, if you have any question about the trade, please go ahead and ask, and that will be all. What pair would you like me to analyze next? Put it in the comment section, and I'm going to do the analysis and put it on TikTok. See you on the inside, guys.